Okay, students, I am very happy to teach this. In this class, I am going to talk about what is a slack variable, what is a surplus variable, slack variable, and surplus variable. Now, take this particular constraints. This constraint is 2x1 plus 3x2 is less than or equal to 5. 2x1 plus 3x2 is less than or equal to 5. Okay, now what comes here? Less than or equal to comes. Now our aim is to make this an equation. This is not an equation. I mean, it is in equation. Less than comes. How can we make this equation? It's possible. How? I am supposing that this is this side, that is left hand side of this equation, have some less amount. Am I correct? Then this is great amount. So that less amount I am assuming as S1. So if I add S1 in the left hand side, that equals 5. So this adding one variable makes this inequation into equation. Okay, and this variable we call it as a slack variable. So a slack variable is one which is used to make less than equation into an equation. By simply adding a slack variable with less than or equal to in the left hand side, by adding S1, we can make it equal to this variable is called slack variable, this S1. Same way, surplus variable. Look at this, x1 plus 2x2 plus 5x3 is greater than or equal to 100. x1 plus 2x2 plus 5x3 is greater than or equal to 100. Now this side is somewhat more than this. Am I correct? So by subtracting some small variable this side or amount this side, we can make this inequation into equations. Okay, that variable I am taking as S2. So subtracting this S2 in this left hand side, that is x1 plus 2x2 plus 5x3, by subtracting that I can get an equation here. Okay, this variable which is used to subtract the left hand side of this greater than equation to equation, we call it as a surplus variable. So surplus variable is a variable which is subtracted on the left hand side of greater than or equal to constraints, and slack variable is one which is added on the left hand side to make that less than or equal to into equal to. So with that I am coming to the end of this session. Thank you.